Welcome back, everybody. And today, as you can tell by the thumbnail, we are going to be doing pulled beef sandwiches two different ways. There's not much to talk about this because it's a pretty simple cook. But first off, we got to get our chuck roast. I've got two chuck roasts that I'm using, and we got to get it out here and get it seasoned up. All right, I will bring you back shortly, and we'll get this meat seasoned up and get the smoker heated up to about 300 degrees. And we'll be using the Z grills right there. All right, everybody, I'll bring it back in a little bit. Okay, I got my two chuck roasts here, and I have put a standard barbecue seasoning in here, a salt, pepper, garlic in here, and I have also added some extra 60 mesh pepper in here. We'll get this all shaken up. All right, let's get to season this chuck roast. Okay, that looks like it'll do it. I'm going to get the Z grills heated up to 300, and I'll bring it back when it's time to put them on. All right, everybody, smoker's heated up. Time to get these chuck roasts on and get the cooking going. Gonna try to keep the meat away from the fire pot right here. One on each side. I'm just going to use the grill probes for these. All right, we're going to close the lid, and I'll probably see you back here in about 3 hours, and we'll take a look at them. No way they're going to be done in 3 hours, but we'll take a look at them in 3 hours. All right, welcome back, everybody. It's been 2 hours and 20 minutes, and we have hit 150 on both of these chuck roasts. So now I'm going to take them off the smoker, put them in a pan, put a little beef stock in there, wrap it up, and we're going to put it back on the smoker and wait for it to hit around 205, and then we're going to bring them inside and do the shredding. All right, let's get these chuck roasts out of the smoker. Okay, there's the first one. And there's the second one, and pretty damn hot. Ooh, ouch. Okay, I got some beef stock I'm going to be putting in the bottom of the pan here. The steam that this generates is going to help get our chuck roast up to 200 plus degrees. We'll throw a little bit on here. Seasoning's not washing off. It's pretty well stuck to the meat. All right, let me get some foil. Make sure this foil is nice and tight around the seams. All right, let's get it back on the smoker. Oh, and also, instead of cooking this or smoking it unwrapped at 300, I did 275, and it did pretty good. 2 hours and 20 minutes to get it up to 150, 155. All right, let's get these probes back in. All right, I'll see you back here when it reaches 200, 205, probably 205. All right, everybody, it has reached 205 degrees. We're going to let it sit here for about 20 minutes to half an hour. And after that time is up, I will bring you back and we will see what we got and start shredding this beef up. All right, everybody, we've been sitting in here for about 15, 20 minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at all that smoke in there. Nice. All right, let's get this shredded up. There you go. Look at that. Let me take these racks out of here. Oh, this meat's hot. All right, I'm going to get the rest of this meat shredded up and I will bring you back. This stuff is super, super hot. It'll take me forever. Also, you want to make sure you get your fat out of here. The chuck roast has some tendons in there that holds these muscles together. You do not want that in your beef sandwich. All right, I'll bring it back when I get it all shredded up and all the bad fat out of here. Okay, everybody, here you go. Got it all pulled apart. Now it's time to be building some sandwiches. We're going to do a barbecue beef, and we're going to be doing a beef and cheddar. Let's get to making this. All right, first we're going to stack some beef on here. Okay, now for some barbecue sauce that we have to get rid of. It's not mine. And we're going to cheat and use some good old Velveeta runny cheese in a packet. And now for some pickles. Okay, and there you have it. All right, let's get into this taste test. That cheese looks nice, ooey gooey, and drippy. And that barbecue sauce, fantastic. Complemented with the pickles, and we got ourselves beef barbecue sandwich and a pulled beef and cheddar sandwich. All right, it is time to taste both of these. I'll bring you up top. All right, let's try the barbecue beef first. That looks incredible. All right, let's go in for a bite. I'm sure this is going to be messy. All right, that is one good sandwich. Take a look at that. How can you go wrong? Pulled beef and barbecue sauce and pickles. All right, let's try the pulled beef and cheddar. Oh yeah, that is something. All right, I think I'm going to go in right there. I'll tell you what, Arby's don't have anything on this. This is fantastic. I really like the cheese on it. Barbecue sauce is good too, but that cheese is just over the top. Everybody, there's Dan in the background.
Uh-oh.
He tested it first. Hiding. He tested it first before I did.
I was just coming in for thirds.
Oh, this is great. I'm going to finish chewing this and I'll be back. All right, everybody. I cannot get over this cheese and beef sandwich. This is good. Very good. I know I said I was done, but I'm not. All right, one more bite of the barbecue one, and then we're going to wrap this up. Both of them are outstanding. If any of you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And to all my regular subscribers, I really, really do appreciate you, and you know that. All right, everybody, I'm getting out of here. And remember, if I can cook it, you can cook it. Super simple meal. Stop making boring food. Mix it up. Change your flavors. And I will definitely catch you all on the next one. Take care.
So I haven't done a live stream in a while, and I'm over at somebody's house. Let's see if anybody can figure out where I am. Now, he's making a video. He did one yesterday. It's his birthday yesterday. So everybody sing him happy birthday. We got pellets here. Let's see what he's cooking me for dinner. It's probably really awesome looking. No, it isn't. How am I supposed to know what's in there if you got it covered?
Sorry. You know what's in there.
All right, Mile High Guy Barbecue. Wait. Where's your sauce? Will you grab one back seat in a box?
Go in the house and grab it.
It's right there. Oh, he's going to go grab a sauce. All right, guys. I should have done this live, huh? Then I could have replied to people. I screwed up. I should have went live. Oh, well. So here we go. Oh, I can't read that. There we go. That's his YouTube channel. Here's the sauce he makes. And look at these ingredients. I think he's lying about the calorie count, because I drank one of his bottles of sauce and I think I gained more than 50 calories. Behind the scenes, he doesn't know I'm recording him.
Oh, look at all that smoke in there. Nice. All right, let's get this shredded up. There you go. Look at that. Let me take these racks out of here.
If it's, I'm gonna steal some from him.
Oh, this meat's hot.